friends, welcome back to my new video. So today we are going to learn about library function len. What is len and how it's used in categorized. So let's go and come to the point. So here in the screen you can see, len returns the numbers of characters in a string, or the number of bytes required to store variable. And you can also see the example to understand len. So to understand it better and clearly, let's go and make a simple program in categorized using len. So here you can see that I made this program. And first it's take any word or number. Then it's display its total letters and digits of a word and number. So let's go and run it. Now I am going to input a word education here. And you can see the total letters of education is 9. Now I hope you understand that len is used to count the total letters of a word. Okay, let's see its output with number. Now, I am going to enter 5 digits number and check whether it counts the digits of number or not. Here you can see it counts its digits. And I hope that you understand that len is used returns the number of characters in a string, or the number of bytes required to store variable. Thanks for watching my video, and subscribe my channel Education by C-Boy.
Yeah.